G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I want to take you through the process of how to transfer from the crypto.com app to the crypto.com exchange. Now, if you don't already have a crypto.com account, make sure you use my referral code, which is down in the description, and you can earn yourself $25 on the crypto.com app and $50 on the crypto.com exchange. Just make sure you use that sign up code when you actually sign up with crypto.com. Let's get into actually doing this transfer between the two platforms. So jump on your phone to the crypto.com app, and from here we see what our total balance is. Now this is across everything, including the exchange and what's on our app, and also in the DeFi wallet, anything in supercharges, etc. So I've got some CRO in my account here in my wallet that I want to send over to the exchange. So how do I do that? I want to hit that transfer button up the top here from the home screen right next to trade. So transfer. Now it'll ask whether you want to deposit or withdraw. So go ahead and click withdraw, because we're withdrawing from the crypto.com app to the exchange. So it'll ask you if you want to withdraw crypto or fiat. Select crypto. And then when these options come up here, you want to select the crypto.com exchange. Select the cryptocurrency you want. So for me, I'm going to use CRO, crypto.com. But if you have any other currencies that you want to transfer to the exchange, you can do that right here as well. Just select the one that you want. It'll then ask you how much. For me, I'm just going to go with the max amount by tapping just here, this little max button. But you can also type it in if you have a specific amount in mind. It'll then update the button here, the blue deposit button, to show you how much you're depositing. So just tap that button when you're ready. It'll then ask you to confirm the transfer between the app and the exchange. So go ahead and hit the blue confirm button down the bottom. It'll ask for your passcode, and your transfer is done, and that should now be showing up in your exchange. So from the app, if we go to the accounts tab, and for me, I can see my crypto wallet balance has gone down and my exchange balance has gone up. Clicking on the exchange itself, I can now see what I've got here. So that's it. That's how you send your cryptocurrencies from the crypto.com app across to the exchange. Really, really straightforward. Now, what about withdrawing from the exchange and back to the crypto.com app? Well, that's a little bit different. So you do that from the exchange itself. So come with me and we'll have a look at our exchange. So you'll have to log in here and go to your balances. So you can see that up the top here. Select balances, and that'll show you what's in your wallet currently, your spot wallet. So that's got all your crypto balances. You can see your total balance, what's actually available, what's in an order. So for me, I've got this particular CRO in the supercharger at the moment. And then on the right, we've got three options, either withdraw, deposit, or trade. What we actually want to do is withdraw the funds. So you can choose to withdraw to an external address or the crypto.com app. We want to send the money over to the crypto app, so I'll select that. So if you haven't already got it connected, it'll prompt you to do that here. If you don't have two-factor authentication enabled, you will also have to set that up before you can withdraw from the exchange to the app. So we want to specify our amount. We can choose to withdraw all, or we can choose to just withdraw some. So I might want to withdraw 200 of that crypto, or if I want to withdraw all, I would tap the withdraw all button. Now it'll only withdraw from the available balance. It won't let me take it from the in order balance. We'll then click review withdrawal, and that will then take us through the process of actually entering our two-factor authentication code. So we'll just get that, confirm, and we've now got that success message showing up the top there. So those funds that we've transferred will now be available back in the app for us. So if we pull that up and have a look, we can jump into our accounts down the bottom there, tap on our CRO and have a look at our transactions, and we can see, yep, we've just had 200 here back in the app wallet from the exchange. So really straightforward, but just remember, depending on what you actually want to do, some of it's done from the app, some of it's done from the exchange. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it, also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and make sure you use my referral code, which again is down in the description, to make sure that you get your 75 USD sign-up bonuses, 25 from the crypto.com app if you don't already have it, and $50 from the crypto.com exchange if you haven't already signed up there. Remember, you do sign up for them separately, and you do have to use the invite code for both to get the bonus for both. That's it for me for now. I'll catch you later. Have an awesome day.